primary interaction between PrebuiltMLX and PrebuiltML Hub is through the use of job status updates and posting the output files to Hub. This video will explore the process from the start of a project, through revisions and approvals, to the completed takeoff. Once a project has been created in PrebuiltML Hub, its status is automatically set to Logged In. When you're ready to start the takeoff process for the project, click the Start Project button. PrebuiltMLX will then be opened with the Start Project window initialized. Notice that the project name is already filled out with the name from Hub. We just need to add our plan pages to the project and click Start Project. Now that the project has been started in MLX, the job status has been updated automatically in Hub. Smithhouse now displays the status In Progress. From this point, if you're already a PrebuiltMLX user, you can begin working on your takeoff just as usual. If you're new to our software, be sure to consult our new user training videos from the Help menu or from the link below the video. As you complete the takeoffs in PrebuiltMLX, you have the ability to post both framing layouts and materials lists to the Files tab in Hub. There are two ways to post files to Hub: when viewing a list or a layout, and by using the Publish tab. If we head to the Framing Layouts tab, we can view individual page layouts by clicking View. Notice along the toolbar at the top, there are various ways to export the layout. We can either print the layout, save the layout as a PDF, or post it to Hub by clicking the Hub icon. Just give it a name and click OK. Additionally, you can post all of your layouts as a single document by clicking the View Selected Layout button and clicking the Hub icon. It's a similar process for posting materials lists. We'll head to the Reports tab, select whichever list style we want, and click View. And from the toolbar, just click Hub to post the file. For lists, you can also choose to output the file as a PDF or Excel document. If we go back to the Hub application and click the Files tab, we'll see the output files that we have posted. You can click the Options button on a layout to view it or delete it. The second way to post files to Hub is by using the Publish tab. This tab allows you to easily export both framing layouts and materials lists at the same time. We just need to choose where we want our files to go. Simply click the Default Destination drop-down menu and choose Export to Hub. Now you just have to select which report styles and framing layouts you want to export and click the Publish button. Now that our takeoff has been completed, we can return to the Information tab in Hub and update the status of our job. Since this project has no salesperson assigned to it, we'll mark it as complete. Now, if another user is assigned to the sales role, this button will instead read Send to Sales for Review. This allows the salesperson to review the completed documents and choose whether to approve the estimate or request revisions if necessary. Revision requests will be documented in the project chat, and the job status will be updated accordingly. Throughout the entire takeoff process, you'll both be able to make use of the Chat tab to communicate any additional information related to the project. And files posted to Hub will be available from both the phone app and Hub desktop software. This concludes the PrebuiltML Hub Getting Started series. For more information, you can visit the knowledge base from our website or by clicking the Online Support Center from the Help menu in PrebuiltMLX.